Hey, Beans. Hey, look at you, all dressed up for the rain. Want to show us some of the books you like?
Yeah. At school, I was reading these books called Mike. I already have 2 at home, but I didn't do the new one, and I want more like this one. And there's also over here, there's art in it. Egg.
What else is good here?
Oh, my friend reads these cartoons.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Anything interesting? Hey, Bean Pony, look at you all dressed for the rain. You look cute. All right, where are we going? Where are you taking me? Oh, I've never been here before. Really? So, what's good in here? Bean Pony, what's interesting in here? Yeah, we're just looking around. Where are we?
At McDonald's.
Wow. Jimmy hasn't been in McDonald's in 6 years. It's a long time, huh? We're just gonna have a little treat so we can do our homework, right? So what you getting?
I'm getting a double cheeseburger.
Oh, Bean Pony, look at you doing your homework. This is a nice place to do homework. What's your little furry friend's name?
This is Slick the Fox.
Slick the Fox. He's so slick. Cute, round eyes. Hey, Slick, are you gonna help Bean Pony do her homework? Yeah. Why, thank you. All right, he's gonna sit there. Make sure you do your homework right. Got a little treat there. Hey, some chicken nuggets. Yeah.
He does not sound like that.
Oh, I like you. I like you. I like you. Finish up your homework. Oh. What are you looking at there, Slick? Are you looking at the cheeseburger? All right, go ahead. You two eat it. You deserve it. Now, tell us what you did at school today.
Today I started making a birthday card for my new baby cousin that's gonna come.
Yes, Auntie Lana is gonna have a baby soon, right?
That's why there's only one candle.
That's nice of you. That's nice of you. That's nice of you. What's that?
And what is it? So cute, it's a penguin.
Aren't you cute? Look at you. OMG, what are you doing in there? Aren't you cold, Bean Pony?
I'm a frozen bean pack.
Are you a frozen yummy strawberry popsicle?
No, I'm a bean pack. Buy me.
Okay. Jump into my basket. You're too big. Jump into my basket. Hey, Bean Pony, let's cut it. Yeah, it's a cozy place. You look like a little kitty cat. All curled up, ready for a little nap. All right, take a little rest. Good night.